Wind just picked up. We had some storms come through here last night, and they were warning about winds and stuff, but the winds today are worse than they were when the storms came through last night. Cooling off some, but hope everybody's been doing well. Been a minute me getting some content out. Did have some footage and stuff, but I just didn't have anything that I really felt completed a video, so I started on a couple and just never have finished them, but trying to get this one out, and hopefully we'll be getting some more coming later this week. Some footage later this week. I'll try to get one out as soon as possible, but yeah, just hadn't got a video out in a minute, and a little behind on replying to comments and stuff, but as I said, hope everybody's doing well. Having some coffee out here this morning. It's supposed to cool off this week. Lows in the 40s and highs in the upper 60s, low 70s, so it'll be a pretty nice week. It says bad windy today, but got the oil changed in the bike yesterday or day before yesterday, and got it ready to roll. We'll be heading out, going to Twisted in Texas too, and hopefully some of you guys are going out there. I'll get to see some of you out there, and if you see me, man, holler, say hey, something. Maybe I'll get you in the video or something, but I'll be recording that. But we'll be heading out later this week, going down there. I'm going to try to do some maybe some YouTube shorts or something, heading out, kind of recording, documenting the trip out there and that kind of stuff. I'll probably be posting some stuff to try to get this camera to where the mic's not picking up the wind. I hope it's not. I'll be recording or posting some stuff probably on Instagram, and I don't have all my stuff linked up. I don't even remember which I had first, but on Instagram my account is WRB2. Let me put that at the bottom of the screen. So I don't post a whole lot of stuff there, but if you're not following me there, you may want to go and try to do that. I may be posting some stuff there as far as the trip out there and the ride out in Texas. So follow along there, keep an eye on the channel for maybe some YouTube shorts that'll be coming about the ride out there. So I got to get the bike cleaned up and stuff, and I may at some point today try to do a mock loadout or something and try to make sure I got room for all my stuff that I'm planning on taking, which is mostly trying to make sure I got room for the drone, stuff like that. So might do that today, but you guys keep a check out on the channel for that ride coming up, and hopefully it's gonna be a good time. So like I said, if you see me out there, holler, and hopefully may get a chance to ride with some folks if y'all make that. But looking forward to that. Probably sometime Thursday we're gonna be leaving the North Mississippi, Memphis, trying to get out of this wind. We're gonna be leaving the North Mississippi / Memphis area probably Thursday morning, and my partner I'm riding out with want to stop by Black Gold Harley Davidson. So at some point after we leave Memphis, we'll be that'll be our first stop out there. We'll stop at Black Gold Harley Davidson for a little while, and then continue on there to Kerrville. We're staying in Kerrville Thursday night, and I'll be riding on over to Lakey Friday. I'll be staying in Lakey Friday night and Saturday night. I imagine we'll head out really early Sunday morning to head back to the SIP. So if any of you guys, I know it's Thursday, I know it's, everybody's got to work, but if you happen to be around Black Gold Harley Davidson sometime Thursday and I may try to post something about that as we're riding out there. I have no idea what time we'll get there at this point, but we're going to check that out, pick some poker chips up, and maybe stretch our legs for a little bit before we continue on down to Kerrville. But it's going to be a good ride, and you guys follow along, keep an eye out for the videos, and as always, man, appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed to the channel, and try to get some content coming this week. Looking forward to that ride out, looking forward to meeting some folks, so keep a check on it. And of course everybody else's channel pertaining to that, like Jack's over at Bogey Biker and Kelly B Gliding. Keep an eye out for those videos coming, and hope to see some of you guys out there. You guys ride safe. Catch y'all in the next one.